Ethical questions of self-driving vehicles. A presentation on the societal and ethical implications of autonomous transport. Introduction. Technological developments change society, everyday lives and our perceptions of right and wrong. Self-driving cars use sensors, machine learning and control algorithms to navigate traffic. They could revolutionize transport, logistics, accessibility, and urban planning. Why this topic matters. Self-driving cars raise ethical questions. Who is responsible for road safety? Can human ethics be programmed into machines? These problems touch fairness, equality, and autonomy. Personal motivation. This topic is crucial for engineers. Innovation must be balanced with the responsibility. I want to explore how ethical evaluation can be built in the design from the start. My aim is to improve my critical thinking and acting responsibly, and further learn to apply technology for societal good. Ethical principles autonomy. Autonomy is about the right to choose. Self-driving cars make decisions without user input, raising concerns over control and transparency. Ethical principles integrity. Integrity means avoiding harm. Self-driving cars must minimize harm in dilemmas like the trolley problem. Ethical algorithms, weight risk, fairness, and worst case avoidance. Ethical principles, accountability. Who is to blame if an accident happens? Responsibility could fall on developers, manufacturers, or infrastructure providers. Clear definitions are essential. Ethical principles, general welfare. Technology should benefit society. Pros: improved safety, fewer emissions. Cons: job losses in the transport sector. Cultural differences and moral conflicts. Ethics vary between cultures, making global standards difficult. Trust is fragile. Accidents and unclear ethics can reduce public confidence. Trust, transparency, and privacy. Stakeholders, public sector, tech industry, researchers, citizens. Trust depends on transparency, data protection, and ethical design. Privacy issues arise from data collection. Stakeholders and responsibilities. Autonomous tech may displace jobs. New roles can emerge, but support and retaining are vital. Open incident reporting builds trust. Responsible development. Key proposals. Clarify legal responsibility. Enable transparency and user understanding. Protect privacy from the start. Involve diverse stakeholders. Actionable recommendations. National laws and EU-wide classification systems. Vehicle dashboards showing decision logic. Ethics training and advisory boards. TPM encrypting and annual cybersecurity audits. Conclusion. Ethical foundations. Ethics must be integrated from the start. Transparency, privacy, and user input build trust. Ethical principles do not hinder innovation, on the contrary, they enable sustainable design. Final thoughts. Ethics are essential to engineering. It is our shared responsibility to guide technology with values. This will shape the society of the future.